students. Today we have one creative assignment, that is award show, that will be done by the class 9A. And this is very interesting award show. So for initiating this award show, I would like to call our smart anchors. So please come. Come, Rupesh and Dean.
सत श्री अकाल, मैं हूं भूपेश और मैं हूं तुषार। तो जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है कि आज हम यहाँ पर इस साल के अवार्ड शो के लिए यहाँ पर इकट्ठा हुए हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
स्मार्टनेस एक फ्रेम में फिट आता है और वो है, हमारे नॉमिनीज हैं आदित्य, रोहन, अर्नब और प्रथम। है इम्तिहान की। तो क्या आपको पता है कि अवार्ड किसे जाता है? कोई गेसेस?
But I think that there are many people there, but they are more smarter than me.
Good morning all. As you all know, this is the award show of class 9A organized by our dear Ruby ma'am. So the next category is politics. So Pratham, do you know the which mindset people grow far?
Yes, I know. If people have a positive mindset, then the chances of them growing is higher, and they will
Yes.
definitely succeed.
Yes, you have thought the correct thing. So our next and the nominees are Hana Thakur and Tejas Sahu.
And I would like to ask the audience that
Yes.
to
What do you guess? Who will win this award?
Just
Hana Thakur.
Thank you for this award and thank you so much.
APJ Abdul Kalam, the former president of India, quoted that dreams are not what we see while sleeping. Dreams are those that does not let us sleep.
But I don't agree. You know, just dreaming about great stuff and creating big goals doesn't lead to success. Along with setting good goals, we need to do rigorous hard work to achieve those goals.
I see.
Take it like this. If we are on a hilltop and our goal is on another hilltop, then rigorous hard work and consistency act as a bridge in between.
So, is this the award for the most hardworking student of our class?
Exactly.
So, the nominees for the most hardworking student of our class are
Aditya
Rohan
and Avinash.
The most hardworking student of our class is
Aditya.
In this award, I thought that a person to be successful, there are four things needed. The most and the first is hardworking, and second is patience, third is consistency, and fourth is discipline. There are many people who do hard work, but hard work with sincerely, with smart work, those people get ahead and get success. Thank you.
Act of rules and regulations which we follow from our childhood to the end of our life.
But discipline is not only important for students, it's for everyone.
So, the nominees for the most disciplined student of our class are
Jhanna Thakur and Lokamudra Vanchi.
a big round of applause for the nominees.
So the most disciplined student of our class is
Thank
की जनता। तो जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है कि आज हम फिर से यहाँ पर आ गए हैं अवार्ड शो के लिए।
तो एक अच्छे थॉट को अच्छे से रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए उसे लोगों के सामने अच्छे से बोलना आना चाहिए।
जैसे हिटलर भी एक अच्छा स्पीकर था, तो उसकी बातों में भी उतना ही वजन था और लोग उसकी बातों से उतना ही इन्फ्लुएंस होते थे। तो हमारे ओरेटर के नॉमिनीज हैं मैं रुपेश ठाकुर और अनन्या विश्व, और हमारा अवार्ड जाता है थैंक यू मुझे अवार्ड देने के लिए, और मैं फ्यूचर में और अच्छा ओरेटर मतलब बनने की कोशिश करूँगा। थैंक यू।
जिंदगी में क्रिटिकल सोचने के साथ साथ क्रिएटिव भी सोचना जरूरी है। अगर कोई क्रिएटिव नहीं सोचता तो हमें नया इनोवेशन देखने को नहीं मिलता।
तो मेरी बात सुनो और अपने अंदर की क्रिएटिविटी को बाहर लाओ और कुछ क्रिएटिव करो, ताकि हमें भी नई नई चीज़ें मिलती रहे और आगे बढ़ती है। तो हमारे क्रिएटिव के नॉमिनीज हैं रुद्रादित्य सेना और विजय साहू। और ये अवार्ड जाता है रुद्रादित्य सेना।
थैंक यू मुझे ये अवार्ड देने के लिए, और मैं फ्यूचर में और क्रिएटिव बनने के लिए।
Morning call. You know, poems are those which touch our feelings, emotions, fill up the joy of the happiness in us.
If there is an every situation which are relatable, so to draw in rhymes in every part of our life.
So, in our class, poets are comedians are goes to Pro and Prince Sharma.
So I am very much thankful to you all. So I would like to be a poet for all of you, and I will write some more poems for you. Thank you. So next category is active. So आप लोगों को पता ही होगा, जो पहला आता है वो उसकी एक खूबी होती है, वो हमेशा एक्टिव रहते हैं। So active persons get higher achievement. So the nominees for active category are Pratham Kumar Jaina and Priya Navare. Of our class is Pratham Kumar Jaina.
I would like to thank everyone for choosing me as the most active student in the class, and being active is very important in your class because you can keep track of what is happening in your class and in your school. So once again, thanking everyone. Thank you.
Which category will be awarded?
I know that maybe the category of painter.
Oh yes, you are right. Painter will be called the person who can make a beautiful painting if and when he do not have enough things to make a painting. So the nominees are Frederick and Lakshmi Dhruv.
So our class is for one painter.
Now I would like to call the painter name. Anyone can you guess about the painter?
This award goes to
handwriting. Influencing people is done by different ways. So, influence people by your writing. Most of the people influence.
Handwriting is very important because in your exam, if you write with good handwritings, your presentation will be better than others, so that the teacher will also impress from you. And handwriting is also important in extracurricular activities.
So, the people in our class with best of their handwritings are and this award goes to Upesh Thakur and Nana Japuria.
Thank you so much for the sound.
आप सभी का बहुत धन्यवाद मुझे अवार्ड देने के लिए, और आप भी प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए तो आपकी भी हैंड राइटिंग अच्छी हो जाएगी।
So thank you all. That's all was our award show. Have you all enjoyed it? So once again, congratulations to all the winners and all the nominees, and everyone of the class is responsible for the happily and good way conduct of this award show. And special thanks to Ruhi ma'am to conduct this. I am representing class 9. So through class 9, very much thank you to Ruhi ma'am, and that's all. Thank you.